Hello and welcome to another IT and Business unboxing video. Today we will be unboxing a Microsoft Surface Laptop 3. So again, as usual, this is a business or direct to business unit, so it does not have the usual retail packaging. Kind of reminiscent of Apple packaging. That would be the laptop itself in a, it's not plastic. Is it plastic? It feels like some sort of fibre. What else do we have? We have for commercial and education customers, just the keyboard layout notification. We've got the quick start and warranty information. That's the standard power adapter. Just put that to one side. And that will be it. There's nothing else in the box. Microsoft obviously are not using any plastics as far as I can tell in their packaging, so good sign there. Although I'm not too sure if this is PET. I think that might be a plastic, so perhaps this is the only plastic in the packaging, but let's take it out and take a look. And that is it's the 13.5-inch model, this one, and it's all metal construction. We'll just move the box out of the way and we'll take a look at that. First test is, does it pass the single finger opening test? Oh, it does very nicely. Not a usual keyboard protector. I think that may be plastic as well. And there we have the laptop. As you can see, this one does actually have a gloss screen. That's mainly because it is also a touchscreen laptop. So we're obviously going to get a lot of reflections from the filming. But taking a look at the laptop itself, it does have the hinge on that compared to some other laptops. That's a really nice single finger required opening. The laptop doesn't budge at all when you're opening it. On the left hand side we've got a single, what is probably USB 3 port and a USB-C port. The USB-C ports on these are multifunction, so it's charge and data. And a headphone / microphone 3.5mm jack. On the back there is nothing but the cooling vent, and on the right hand side there is nothing but the power adapter. So the ports are on a minimum on this, probably to keep the size down. I mean, compared to some other devices, this whole thing just feels like a very, very premium unit. It's very, very rigid. It just feels like it's made out of nice premium materials. And again, when you open it up, everything about it, both the key action, keypad, everything has a very, very nice premium feel to it. So impressions on first unboxing are very good. So next video, we will get this powered up and we'll take a look at the operation.